We are trading digits over and under, over 2 and 7, and you can see the bot is purchasing over and under alternatingly. Where you check is here, the arrow points down when it's under, and we've lost because 8 is not under 7. Then it changes to over. We are looking for over 2, and that digit there is exactly 2, so we lost. Then it changed back to under 7, we got a 2, then that was a win. So it does the analysis, but not so much. It's just programmed to change from one direction to the other, or that is from one digit to the other. And that way you are able to make 1 or 2 losses, but you can't have so many of them coming after one, coming one after the other. So let's see, our target for this session is $50, and we've had 5 losses, 19 wins. And let's see, if you just look at the last digit of the transaction at the exit spot, this one is the digit that we are looking at. That is, we're looking at under 7 over 2, under 7 over 2, and let's see, that's over 9. If it had purchased under, we'd have lost. So this is one of the finest bots around, but you can change if you find that the volatility at that time is not giving you what you want. You can always change. You can always change to something else, to another volatility or to another different prediction. So we've gotten to our goal of $50. $50 somewhere here. We are at 51. The bot automatically stops. In that way, you exit your market. You can see we've had 5 losses and 24 wins. So, and if we go and check, if we check the number of consecutive losses, I guess it's only one time that we had double losses. Let me see how much it purchased. That was 57. So this can be run on a $100 account with stake 5, or you can stake lower, so that you just, there's something called risk management, so that you don't blow your account in case things go south. But it has a point where you can determine how many losses in a row you're going to get. So you can set, let's say 4 or 5, meaning when you get 3 losses or 4 losses, depending on which number you choose, the bot will change and go back to the initial stake. Will not continue doing the martingale. It will go back and start afresh. Or you can always stop your bot manually, but let's let people know how to do risk management of their accounts, and that way you're going to make money. And I think you can see this is 10 or 5 or 5th October 2023, and we have to exit our market and maybe come back later. So that's it for now.